Hey everybody, I'm recording on my old phone. It's a Nokia phone. I don't know how good this is coming out since it's an old flip phone. Here's the Galaxy Note 7 in blue. So I'm just doing a quick camera test. And you know how poor this body camera took videos. And here we go. There's this one. Looking pretty good, So yeah, looks good. S6 Edge. S7. Sweet. So, yeah, have a nice day now. This is, we're going to still be recording, so we'll take a look around. Let's see how this thing handles bass. So I'm hoping that picked that up good. Hopefully it sounded alright. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.